Have you ever tried to send a large video, project folder or a high quality image through email, only to be told that file is too big? Most email providers have attachment limits, usually around 25 megabytes, which means larger files simply won't go through. While that may sound like a lot, modern files can easily exceed that limit. A short 4K video, a collection of high-resolution photographs, even software projects can quickly reach hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes in size. Fortunately, there are safer and more efficient ways to send larger files online without sacrificing privacy or security. Whether you're collaborating with colleagues, sending coursework to a lecturer, sharing media files with clients, or simply transferring personal files to friends and family, understanding how you do this securely is an important digital skill. Hi guys, we're Connect, a social enterprise aimed at informing people about online literacy. So when sharing large files, it is important to remember that you're not just sending data, you're potentially giving other people access to information that could be sensitive, private, or valuable. Depending on the file, this could include personal information, business documents, financial records, creative projects, or confidential work. That's why security should always be a part of the process rather than an afterthought. The most common way to share large files today is through cloud storage services, such as Google Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and Dropbox, or iCloud Drive. Instead of attaching files directly to an email, you upload it to the cloud and generate a shareable link. The person can either access the file through that link without worrying about email size restrictions. This approach is not only faster and more reliable, but it also allows multiple people to access the same file without creating numerous copies. Most cloud storage platforms also provide useful collaboration features. For example, multiple users can view, comment, or edit a document. This can be particularly useful for teams working remotely or students collaborating on a group project. However, convenience should always be balanced with security. Uploading a file is only the first step. One of the biggest mistakes people make is leaving the sharing settings too open. Many cloud platforms allow you to choose who can access your files. Some links can be viewed by anyone who has the URL, while others can be restricted to specific email addresses or accounts. Whenever possible, you should limit access to only the people who actually need it. If a file contains sensitive information, avoid making it publicly accessible. For particularly sensitive files, consider adding a password protection. Some file sharing services offer built-in password protection, while others allow you to create password-protected zip folders before uploading the file. This creates an extra layer of security because even if someone obtains the sharing link, they still need a password to access the contents. When using password protection, it is also a good idea to send the password through a different communication method. For example, you might email the file link, but send the password through a text message or a secure messaging app. By separating the link and password, you reduce the likelihood that both parties of information could be intercepted together. Another useful feature is link expiration. Many cloud storage services allow you to set an expiration date on shared links. This means the file can only be accessed for a limited period before the link automatically stops working. If you're sharing a document for a short-term project, temporary collaboration, or a one-time download, this feature can significantly reduce the risk of unauthorized access later on. For highly confidential files, encryption is often the best solution. Encryption converts your data into a coded format that can only be read by someone with the correct key or password. Even if the file is intercepted during transfer, the information remains unreadable without the necessary credentials. Services such as Proton Drive are designed with strong encryption features that help protect sensitive information during both storage and transfer. Before sending any files, it's also worth taking a few moments to review your settings. Make sure the correct people have access confirm that permissions are set appropriately, and check whether password protection is enabled, and verify whether an expiration date has been applied. These small steps only take minutes or two, but can significantly improve the security of your shared files. It is also important to follow some basic cybersecurity practices. Avoid posting file sharing links publicly unless absolutely necessary. Review old shared links to ensure they are still needed, and enable 2FA on your cloud storage accounts whenever possible. 2FA adds an extra layer of security, and by requiring a second verification step in addition to your password. So hopefully these tools and security practices make you more safe. Other than that, if you'd like to learn more about how files travel across networks and how these technologies work behind the scenes, be sure to check out our basic computer network guide down below. However, other than that, have a good day,